Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Here, I want to talk about the role of mass media during COVID-19. The outbreak of coronavirus disease 2019 COVID-19 had created a global health crisis that has had a deep impact on the way we perceive our world and our everyday lives. Not only the rate of contagion and pattern of transmissions threatens our sense of agency, but the safety measures put in place to contain the spread of the virus also require social distancing by refraining from doing what is inherently human, which is to find solace in the company of others. Within this context of physical threat, social and physical distancing, as well as public alarm. What has been and can be the role of the different mass media channels in our life on individual, social, and societal levels? Mass media have long been recognized as powerful force shaping how we experience the world and ourselves. This recognition is accompanied by a growing volume of research that closely follow the step of technological transformation. Examples like radio, movies, television, and mobiles. And the disease examples like a Cold War, 9/11, climate change. In attempt to map mass media major impact on how we perceive ourselves, both as individuals and citizens. Are media, broadcast, and digital still able to convey a sense of unity reaching large audience? Or are messages lost in the noisy crowd of mass self-communication? Do social media provide solace or ground for misinformation, dehumanization, and discrimination? Can we harness the flexibility and ubiquity of media technologies to increase public adherence to the safety measures suggested by a global health organization to combat the spread of COVID-19? How can different media industries and channels for mass communication promote adaptive responses to foster positive health attitude and adherence to protective measures? How media impact the dynamics in the private domain, examples like a strengthened family bonds versus domestic conflict and violence. Within this example framework of complexity, we welcome research addressing media impact and its role during the COVID-19 pandemic. In the following subtopic, effective health communication for adoption of sustainable protective measures and curtailing misinformation. Public health communication to increase psychological research and resilience in the distinct age group and socioeconomic condition, and effective strategies for helping individuals in dealing with social and physical distancing. And the last is reduction of stigma, prejudice, discrimination, and inequalities. Type of article may include brief research report, community case study, data report, original research, and systematic review. Okay, maybe just it from me. Sorry for my mistake in my speaking. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In today's discussion, I will mention and explain the positive effect of implementing social distancing regulated by the government. The positive effect of implementing social distancing has changed many things in society. Keeping the distance between humans does not mean living his nature as a social creature. In the midst of social distancing, relations between humans remain strictly just a different way, and the following closer to family at home. For those who used to work in an office every day can now work from home or double in age. Second, social care increases. The impact of social distancing makes the income of informal work, such as online motorcycle taxi drivers, decrease dramatically. 3. Solidarity to help medical personnel. In handling the COVID-19 pandemic, medical personnel working at the forefront are most at risk of contracting the virus. 4. Online meetings are more efficient. 5. Have plenty of time to do things that are life. Air pollution decreases dramatically. 7. The water are cleaner. 8. Animals are protected freely to breathe. 9. Plastic consumption goes down. And the last, fuel consumption dropped. Reduced community mobility will cause a decrease in the use of gasoline or fuel oil or BBM for vehicles. My personal opinion, this is the best way to protect and reduce the spread of coronavirus. Because we don't know whether out there is safe or not. Therefore, we are obliged to follow one of these government rules, namely to at least social distancing. That's all from the discussion this time. More or less, please forgive. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. For the first one, let me introduce myself. My name is Vidana Marianti. I am an English education student from Universitas Banten Jaya. I made this video to fulfill the assignment given by the lecturer. Okay, as you know, coronavirus still being the hot topic conversation in the world. Everyone talk about the causes of the coronavirus, such as online class, work from home, and not being able to leave home. But the question is, what is the coronavirus? Okay, now with me we can talk about what is the coronavirus and how to prevent it. The coronavirus is new type of the coronavirus family. There are two types of the coronavirus. The first is Middle East Respiratory Syndrome and Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome. The two types of the coronavirus is zoonotic. They are diseases that are transmitted from animals to humans. And the COVID-19 is also suspected being of zoonotic. The spread of this virus originated from one of seafood market in Wuhan City. Besides seafood and sea animals, this market also sells the rabbits, snake, and outdoor pottery. COVID transmission occurs through objects around us that are contaminated with the COVID-19 virus that we touch and then touch mouth, nose, and eyes. So the transmission is very effective. Common signs and symptoms of coronavirus infection include acute respiratory distress symptoms such as fever, coughing, and shortness of breath. In several cases, it can cause pneumonia, acute respiratory syndrome, kidney failure, and even death. Okay, and how to prevent the coronavirus? Everyone should wash your hands often, cover your mouth and nose with a cloth face cover when around others, and cover your coughing and sneezing. Do not touch the face and stay at home. Okay friends, thank you for your attention. Stay healthy and bye-bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello, my name is Bunga Ayu. Today I want to talk about the difficulty of implementing a social distancing in traditional market when new normal. The cessation of social activity has hampered the economy. The government implemented a new normal life while still fighting the coronavirus, despite creating pros and cons in society. This decision was taken to restore economic conditions. Since the new normal life, trading activity in traditional market have been quite busy. Trades in the market are regulated with a minimum distance of 2 meters between traders. Visitors must wear masks and gloves during their activity. Visitors who have respiratory symptoms such as cough, a cold, and shortness of breath are prohibited from entering the market. There are still some visitors who have not fully implemented the health protocol, like don't wear a mask and can't keep your distance from others. Physical distance is the main obstacle. In the market area, visitors must stop in line and carrying their shopping bags. To prevent the spread of the virus, people must obey government regulations. We need to use masks when traveling, washing hands, and changing healthy life, because the spread can come from the things we hold. The millennial generation will care more for themselves and their surroundings to stop the spread of the virus through a number of actions, including maintaining physical distance from one another. To end this video, I hope this pandemic will end soon. Remember to wear a mask, washing hands, stay at home, and take care of your health. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Abdullah. Graduation online and pandemic COVID-19. Graduation or confirmation ceremony for people who have taken education is one of the most important moments awaited by students as an official sign of the completion of their education in higher education. Graduation, which is usually held directly by gathering in a large room filled by the university senate and graduation parents, unfortunately cannot be held at this time given the current unstable condition due to the coronavirus pandemic COVID-19. Large-scale gathering or gathering of people must be eliminated so that was delivered by Eva Octaviani, account coordinator Felix, as in the release received. However, this Eva continue can be treated by conducting online graduation using the available teleconferencing application. The entry graduation process will be conducted in as graduation home. The carry out online graduation, university must ensure that the toga and document that must be submitted have been distributed and by prospective graduates who have received quote to attend online graduation. The Senate accompanied opening and remark from the Chancellor will be broadcast live through teleconferencing application such as Zoom or Webex, which can be witnessed by graduates for the most eagerly awaited part, namely the transfer of the graduation toga wrap that is usually done by the chancellor will be represented by the parent of the graduates. Responding to this unusual moment, like a leading global short video creation platform with video capture and editing tools, with sophisticated special effect, present a new filter. Graduation is definitely a special and happy moment for every student who successfully completed his formal education. However, because of this pandemic, the celebration of special moments cannot be done as usual. Therefore, like present and online graduation filter so that users can continue to celebrity and share the happy moment with our future, said Erwin, manager of creation of Light. Pandemic COVID-19 did not make the campus eliminate graduation events. Today, online graduation is always quick, although not hilarious online graduation take place meaningful. Here, the university that the online graduation on of WIIK Surabaya State University. Okay, next, Muhammad Ali Ulil Azmi was disappointed because the graduation procession had already run aground because of the COVID-19 pandemic. To talk this is just a ceremony, it means a lot to me, especially for both parents who have been paying for college, held to respond Tirto. Okay, thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.